name's Deborah and today I'm going to be doing a 5 days mask challenge. So I've received some masks from Acelabs. So these masks are all made in Korea, replaced with top quality skincare products, and each of them have a different function. We'll see how my skin turns out after these 5 days journey. So today is day 1 and we're going to use the Diamond Luminous Intense Brightening Mask. This is perfect for those with dull skin and is looking for a product that will even out their skin tone with some diamond particles. Today we're going to be using the Neem Tree Blemish Care Soothing Mask. For those of you who don't know, the neem tree is actually known as the blessed tree for its antibacterial properties. So this is good for those with hypersensitive skin and is looking for a product that will help with their acne, the black spots, the blemishes, and also it has excessive sebum control. So let's try this out. So our third mask is this Aqualuminous Intense Hydration Mask. There's 3 layers of hydration ingredients in this, which is the apple, watermelon, and lentil. It says here that these 3 ingredients will actually intensively increase skin water content and high moisturization. It also has multiple exfoliating agents to renew your skin so that it can actually absorb all the goodness from this mask. Today we'll be using the Peony Skin Shield Purifying Mask. It says here that the Korean peony flower from Mount Jiri purifies and protects your skin from harmful substances. So this is great for those with stressful skin that requires a certain boost. We're finally on the last day of our 5 days mask challenge and we're gonna use this Golden Daisy Wrinkle Care Mask. So what this does is remove the aging agents, increase the thickness of your skin, and also the elasticity. I finally completed my challenge and these are the results. I do not have any foundation on right now and I'm sure you can tell that my skin looks brighter and healthier now. Previously I also had some acne scars here and here, but they've also become lighter, so I've really enjoyed this journey. And you can now join us by purchasing this Ultimate Care Package at www.goshop.com.my at only 18 ringgit and 88 cents. So that's about 3 ringgit and 80 cents for each of these masks. And it's also a great way for you to discover which mask your skin really needs. For example, for me, I really enjoyed the Aqualuminous one because that really gave my skin the hydration that it needed. After which you can purchase your favorite mask at its own individual package of 10 pieces each. And other than that, each of these masks has 1 bottle of serum. Even after using the mask, there's enough serum for me to apply on my arms and also on my legs for extra moisture. So don't forget to get yours now at Go Shop and I'll see you next time. Bye!